Hello friends, welcome to another exciting video of my channel. Today we're going to watch my blogging setup for GoPro Hero and its remote compatibility with my two new GoPros and its best available pole for remote. Okay, this is GoPro 2018, this is GoPro Hero 7, this is remote and this is the pole. Okay, this is the remote, GoPro remote. Okay, this is GoPro 2018 model and this is GoPro Hero 7. We're going to pair GoPro 7 with my new remote. Okay, please first we turn on the GoPro 7. Look at this is turn on. Okay, and we then go to settings, then connections, then connect device. Okay, then there's a lot of options, remote, smart remote. Then we connect to smart remote. Okay, after connecting this, we going to connect the power button of remote. It automatically paired with the GoPro 7. Okay, it's pairing. It hardly take 30 seconds to 40 seconds. Okay, to pair it up. Okay, I already pair it. Let's see the compatibility of 2018 edition. Okay, whether it is compatible or not, let's see. First we turn on the GoPro 2018. There is options, preference options. Let's see whether there is some option to connect it with remote. There is no options to connect with the smart remote. Then we go to connect settings. There is a connect new devices. If you go to there, only GoPro app is available there. There's no remote, no smart remote, any other options like GoPro 7. In GoPro 7 there is a lot of options, but in GoPro 2018 edition only GoPro app is there. So we cannot connect with remote with GoPro 2018 edition. Okay, it is only applicable to GoPro app. It is only connected with GoPro app. So we knew that we cannot connect GoPro 2018 edition with remote. Okay, this is the GoPro pole. I bought it from Amazon. In the description I'll give the link of this pole and this remote. I bought it from Amazon. Okay, I already told that na. Okay, this is the casing of the pole. Just took it off and then we fix the remote inside it. Okay, first of all we have to, this is keychain, we have to remove it like this. Just pull the switch. Okay, then just fix the remote, okay, within the area, then apply the casing over it. Okay, now friends, it's setup is over. Okay, then we have to fix the GoPro over it, GoPro 7 over it. Okay, now this is full setup is complete. Okay, now we're going to turn on the GoPro 7. Here it is. Okay, again. Okay, here on. Just remove the cap. Okay, or remove the cap. Then just record. Red button, record, and again press the red button to stop it. See, it's so easy, friends. Okay, then we put the power button to change the modes. The mode button or power button, the same button is mode button and power button. We can change the modes like burst mode, photo, video, time-lapse videos. Everything can be operated through the mode button. Okay, if we let's see, it is very Compatible, very comfortable. See, very nice. I like it, friends. Okay. See, very nice. This is so very very nice extended pole. So when every time you do not have to rush into the GoPro 7 screen and change the settings, change the modes, so it is very very convenient to use the GoPro with a remote. Okay.